Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So in our today's video, we are going to be making something different which I have never made in any of my videos. So today we'll be making a melt and pour soap base. Since I have a lot of people asking me for showing them how to make melt and pour soaps, I thought let me go ahead and first start with making the base, because I do not like to buy bases from outside. I'm not happy with the lather that they give. So the base that we are going to be making here today is going to give us a very good lather and equally nourishing to the skin. So the base that we will be making today is a opaque goat milk soap base. The full recipe will not be shared for this particular video. I will be sharing all the ingredients that we are going to be using to make the base, but for the detailed formulation, you all can definitely join my workshop and you will get the complete formulation over there. For those who would just like to watch and learn the different variations that you can make in making a base, can definitely go ahead and get some help out of this. So here the ingredients that we are going to be using. Here I have my coconut oil and my stearic acid. This is what I have taken here. And here I have my lye water solution, in which I have my goat milk, because that is what the base is all about. So we will quickly start with the making of this base. Okay, so now I have just gone ahead and heated this oil phase, which had my coconut oil and my stearic acid, because the stearic acid is in the solid form, so we had to melt that down. So this is what I have gone ahead and heated, and now I'm going to be adding my lye water solution into my oils, and then we will give it a mix. Now this will immediately thicken, and that is perfectly normal. If you all see, this has already got solidified here. So this is perfectly normal how this happens. And we will just leave this for 5 minutes. We will not do anything to this mixture for the next 5 minutes. Okay, so now we have left this for about 5-10 minutes as it is, and this has thickened well. So now we'll go ahead and add our next ingredient, which is our propylene glycol. This is something which we use to make our soap base. This is the solvent which helps us with the soap base, and we'll go ahead and give this a mix. Now after the propylene glycol, I'm going ahead and adding a small amount of glycerin. This is again a humectant. We don't have to add a lot of it. So I'm just adding a very little amount of glycerin to this, and we'll give it a mix. Now after the glycerin and propylene glycol, the last ingredient that we have here is our sorbitol. This is what we are going to be adding to the mixture. And now we'll give a good mix to this. We'll mix this well before we give it a blend. Okay, so now we have added all the ingredients here in this. Now finally, because we want an opaque soap base, I have just gone ahead and added my blend of titanium dioxide. And we'll go ahead and we'll give this a blend. Okay, so now I have gone ahead and blended this well, and this is how the mixture looks now. It's a good opaque white color base which we are going to get. And now I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my mold. This is a very small batch that I have made, so I'm just going to be using this mold for it. And if you all can see, it's a very nice white color base that we have here. And now I'll just go ahead and spray this with 99% rubbing alcohol so that we don't have any air bubbles on this. And we will be keeping this for the next 4 to 5 hours to cool down completely. And once this is set and ready, I will show you all how this looks like. Okay, so now it has been about 10 to 11 hours that I had kept this in the mold, and now I have gone ahead and unmolded the soap. So this is how it looks. These are both the soaps that we made, and I will just go ahead and show you all the lather as well. Many people feel that the melt and pour soap bases that they get from out have very less lather, so I will just go ahead and show you all the lather for the soaps that we have made. I'm just adding a little bit water here, and with very little bit of the soap that I have used, you all can see the lather that we have here. So these soap bases that we make, they give a very nice, rich, creamy lather. So there's no compromise on that as well. And whoever is interested in learning our advanced formulations of making of these different types of soap bases, you all can definitely contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. And thank you so much, friends. If you all do like my videos, like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for all your support. Bye.